No way! It's gravel road for 20 Ks. Oh my life. Welcome back, modifiers, to a vlog. This is hopefully what I'm going to be doing from now on. I'm going to get hopefully 3 a week, something like that. See how we go. There's always so much going on. So I got a Navara, and I got the Navara all sorted and took it for a test drive, and then a water pipe popped off the turbo. So I was like, sweet, okay, so I fixed that in light of today, because we've got to go and pick up this car, which is a Golf, which I'm not sure why I've got so many Golfs in here. Strange. I don't particularly like Golfs, but anyway. Yeah, so I just went up the road to go buy a new broom for the shop, and it just popped again. So I'm like, oh man. So we're going to be taking the Porsche to go and pick up this car. It's got 2 engines to pick up, so I'm hoping I can get that all on the trailer. Otherwise, we're going to have some serious problems. And I didn't want to take the Porsche because Porsche use a lot of fuel, and I just filled the ute up with diesel. So I got a ute that doesn't go, full of diesel, and a Porsche with no fuel that goes, kind of. So anyway, let's get to it. Let's go and pick up this car. Proper being tested this morning. Just nailed a bottle of fucking brand new sweet chili sauce. It's everywhere. These are the days when you get tested. So I've got the Navara in the spot. We are going to try and fix this, and at some point we have to take the Porsche. Didn't want to, it's going to cost a fortune in gas to tow a vehicle back here. But anyway, that's that. So I've now got to go clean up some sweet and sour sauce. Well, looks like 150 bucks. Doesn't even get as close to full. I don't even want to try and fill this. Not today. We've got our trailer, yo! And I can already see the fuel consumption just going through the roof. Love it. Not only is the bridge that I wanted to get across blocked off for roadworks, so I have to go like a long way out of the way. I'm in traffic now with other roadworks. Today's going brilliant. This is like vlog numero uno. Vlog numero uno. Yeah. Anyway, as well, there was a cop on a priority 1 call that was trying to get through to probably roughly the same place as me, and they're just sitting there like, how the hell do we do it now? So yeah, just gonna have to sit in this traffic and just live with it and just get there when we get there. But Porsche's towing pretty nice though. It's probably a comfy tow wagon, which costs a fortune in fuel. We've almost used a quarter of a tank. And I've been driving for an hour, which is painful. Yeah, gotta love New Zealand, man. That country is beautiful out here. It's just like so picturesque and chill. It's like probably an hour from the city. So yeah, it's pretty, mate. It's pretty. We're about half an hour away from picking up this car. Yeah, I'm hoping that I can get that and the engines onto the trailer, because the plan was I was going to put them in the back of the ute, but that's not obviously going to happen. Well, they're not going to go in the back of this thing, so hopefully we can get everything on the trailer and get back. And then there's a couple of cars turning up that need work, and it's just, we need to get things done. So anyway, for those of you that are not in New Zealand, this is pretty much New Zealand countryside. It just gets prettier and prettier, basically. No way! It's gravel road for 20 Ks. Oh my life. And it's because I had to detour because of that road. This is great. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I think I'm gonna have to put the suspension in soft mode. Oh, it's too harsh for me. Fucking hell. Oh my days. Oh well, let's just keep going. Alright, this is where we got another Golf Mark IV GDI. It's actually in pretty damn good nick. You see a couple of little dings in it, but this is in actually better nick than the last one. Sorry if it's a bit windy, because it's windy as today. A few little dings, but otherwise it's actually really tidy. It needs just a clean and a polish. And on the back here I've got an engine that's just pissing oil out everywhere. Lovely. Is that coming out? Alright, well we're going to be dripping some oil on the way. not much though by the looks of it. Anyway, old engine, gearbox, new engine. Supposedly this one starts really hard or something. It's difficult to start, but I'm quite happy with that. It's pretty tidy. So we'll go home and put it back together. Yay, yay. I'm rolling with a wide load guy, because we ain't gonna get 2 cars through this bridge. I'm not sure if we're gonna make it back, man. This trailer's all over the shop. I got the engines right on the back, so it's like just acting like a pendulum. Oh, we made it! Woo! That ain't a lane. That's like half a lane. Damn.
Yeah. Are you gonna introduce me?
Oh, do you want to be on camera?
Yeah.
Oh, check it out. We have a new co-driver. Well, he's the driver.
Yeah.
We just dropped the trailer off, and sweet, I got my deposit back, which I completely forgot about. I was going to leave there without the trailer, without the money.
How much is the deposit?
$200.
Oh, fuck.
I know. I was like, oh, that's. He's like, oh.
What can we say? Business is booming. You know.
Yeah.
It ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
Nothing but a chicken wing. Talking about chicken wings, I'm fucking hungry.
Do you want to stop and get food?
Yeah, we're gonna go get some food. Trailer's dropped off. We're gonna have to go back to the shop and go from there. And this guy's gonna put the engine back in. We've made it back to the shop. We got the Golf in, which was fairly painless, so that's in there now. Just quickly doing a radiator on this guy's car. What's your car, bro? It's a Holden, isn't it?
And it's HSV. VY.
Oh yeah, sure. It's got no radiator though. So we're just gonna go chuck in a new one, and of course, where is the box? Oh, it's out there. I only support quality parts, and this is an AdRad radiator. Basically one of the best aftermarket radiators you can buy. So I'm confident putting that in, as long as I don't break it. So rad's in, intake's back in, just giving that a bit of a clean because it was dirty, man, but it needs a new one because it's got a few holes in it. So technician Geordie's just getting ready to put it all back together. Oh, the gun's up there on the side. And just gave this thing like a quick clean because it was just minging. Looking good. Cool car. We're gonna go and see what it sounds like in a minute. Happy you got your car back?
I know. Yeah. Fucking hated that scenario.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't hate it. That's actually wrong. It was more. It just wasn't like showy enough. Like, you know.
Didn't have the goes, bro.
Yeah. We were go right, eh?
Yeah. This does sound nice though. The Porsche sound like. Right again. Or yeah, there's like stuff there. I don't know. There's stuff all over the place. I don't know what you want. You want a Pokemon bowl or something with it?
I don't know.
Why didn't you eat your whole fucking Pokeball thing?
I don't know. The beans were like a bit freaky.
Oh, yeah. Just this roof lining, it happens in so many cars.
Fuck yeah, my friend just bought one of the newer Tourigs, and it's like same vibe.
Yeah, it sucks. This is cool though. It's a fucking shame that it's not a manual.
Mm-hmm. And
But
it's dirty.
It is a little bit dirty, but anyway, we've got this car sorted. That might be the end of the vlog for today. I don't know. It's been a pretty long day. Still got some stuff to do on the Golf. There's a whole lot of stuff to do on that actually, which is, I was kind of expecting it. But yeah, we'll get there. It's still a beautiful day.
Speed up, you dumb dog.
It's still a beautiful day.
Oh, left actually, eh? Is that where the junction is?
Yeah, Body Junction, yeah.
Straight,
yeah. Have you got window washing fluid in here? Like, well, can you wash your windows?
I think so.
Oh, sure. Oh, there you go. That's heaps better. Now you can see.
That's so ugly when it changes gear. Eh?
Yeah. It's an auto. It still goes well though. Like it pulls nicely, and fuck, it sounds pretty gnarly. I'm surprised it gets warrants.
I don't think it does.
Oh. All good.
It's yeah, to be confirmed.
Yeah, it's weird that I did a Golf this morning that had the Sex Wax, and then I just bought one and it's got the exact same shit in it. Oh, this is the bro. He's always out and about, fucking doing skids on his bike and shit.
Bang.
I look like shit and covered in grease. So I guess we're gonna go get some food. I'm like literally covered in shit. So I feel a little bit out of place right now. Well, we just got some Mexicali. Sorry, that's right. I never had that before, but it's like, for those who haven't had it, there's probably not that many.
None at all.
Just,
right, eh?
just me, yeah.
Watch out.
Yeah, good. Yeah, like, it's like a Subway, but with Mexican food, and it looks good. Alright, I got a burrito, I'm gonna chow down on that mofo. It's gonna be good.
They make these chips themselves, I think.
Oh, really? Oh, it's got potatoes in there. Hell yeah. Look at that. Is that a P10? Is that P10? I don't know. My brother's mate used to have one of those back in the day.
What?
This Primera. And he was like, yeah, I'm the shit.
Wait, my mum had one.
No, they're a cool car, but my BMW, my old school BMW.
The green one.
Yeah, the green one used to smash it.
Yeah.
And he used to get so shitty.
Are you shitting me? He just sprayed the car, that's so annoying.
He what?
Just sprayed the car with his window washer.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
No. What a rude. But yeah, they are a cool car, but yeah. Anyway. On my days, that's gnarly as.
Gnarly, dude.
It's like proper gnarly, and then just sex wax.
Yep.
That's a beast. Oh well, I'm gonna get into this. So I was gonna do an outro at the shop and be like, see you later, but my dumb ass left the camera in my mate's HSV, and so I just come pick it up. So this is gonna be the outro. Thanks for watching, guys. This is like my very first vlog, so let me know what you think. It could be absolutely boring. I don't know, it's my first one, so I'm trying to drive here. I shouldn't be doing this. But anyway, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. We've got lots of BMW stuff coming, and I will be revealing something at some point about something. I don't know. Could be something. We'll see. Something. Anyway, guys, have a good one. See you in the next one.